dear children, hope you all are very fine and enjoying your work. Today I have brought some numericals based on myopia. So without doing much late, let us start. The first question is that the far point of a person is 100 centimeter in front of the eye. What is the nature and power of the correcting lens? First we will draw an eye. This is the picture of an eye, and this eye is able to see only up to a certain distance. Only up to a certain distance. Let this is 100 centimeter, which is given. And we also know that a healthy eye or a normal eye can see up to the infinity. But for this suffering eye, infinity is beyond 100 centimeter. Means this person can see the image of that object which is at infinity. I am repeating it again. The person can see image of that object which is at infinity when image is formed at 100 centimeter. So the person can see up to a limited distance. So this is the case of myopia. We will write this is the case of myopia or short-sightedness. Why myopia? Because a healthy eye can see up to a limited distance, up to infinity, not limited distance, sorry, but eye which can see up to a limited distance, this is called myopia. Now, what will be the image distance and what will be object distance? Object distance equals to object distance u equals to, I am also repeating again, a person can see image of those object which is at infinity, and image is forming at 100 centimeter. So object distance will be infinity. Using sign convention, this will be minus infinity centimeter. And image distance, what will be the image distance? Image distance v is minus 100 centimeter. Image of those objects which is at infinity formed at minus 100 centimeter in front of the eye. Now we have to calculate focal length, because we have to calculate ultimately the power. So focal length we must have to know, and focal length equals to what? Using lens formula, we know that using lens formula 1 over f equals to 1 over v minus 1 over u. Putting the values, 1 over f equals to 1 over minus 100 minus 1 over minus infinity, and we also know that 1 over infinity equals to 0. So what will we answer? 1 over f equals to 1 over minus 100, or f equals to minus 100 centimeter, or f equals to minus 1 meter. Minus 1 meter. This is the answer. We have calculated focal length. Now first answer is that what is the nature of correcting lens? Since focal length is negative, and we know that negative focal length means it is concave lens. So nature of correcting lens will be, or type of correcting lens will be, nature of correcting lens is concave. Now power of the lens. What is the formula of power? Power equals to, it is the reciprocal of focal length. And we know that focal length we have calculated minus 1 centimeter, minus 1 meter. So P equals to 1 by minus 1, and which is P equals to minus 1 diopter. Its power of lens equals to minus 1 diopter. This is the answer. Only we have to know what is object distance, what is image distance in case of myopia. So if the far point is given, means image of the object which is at infinity is forming at 100 centimeter. A person can see image of that object which is at infinity is forming at 100 centimeter. So image distance will be 100 centimeter and object distance will be infinity. So this is the answer. Hope you have understood the question.